Welcome to DJMT.
Welcome now once again to DJMT. Make sure not forget to drop on a comment, subscribe, like and share our video. As now here we carry all the ogbonge tori they come your way. We still there on this very dark man issue as EFCC never come out to talk the reason why they carry very dark man. Many people don't come out to talk say EFCC talk say they don't give them petition several times, but still yet VDM no obey. But the same EFCC still come out debunk the news. They say na lie, they never talk anything, they never release any official statement why they carry very dark man. A lot of people go outside yesterday go protest concerning this matter about very dark man. Some go GT Bank, some go EFCC office. In fact, some people even carry some people, although they later release them sharp. They carry them unto say that they protest, although as I talked before they release them. Now this popular Nigerian influencer, skit maker, what they call Nasboi, don't come outside to talk about VDM matter. You don't encourage people to come out for the guy because the guy they do well for Nigeria. You don't talk several things where this guy don't help Nigeria as a country. Make una watch this video.
You see the way we stand for VDM. One voice, right? If he be saying now you, we go stand for. As I did like this, if he be me, we go enter trouble tomorrow. And I know, say, if we gather stand for VDM today, now so we fit gather, they stand for another person. You want to know the good things VDM has done? Aside recovering money and calling out politicians that me and you cannot call out because we are scared, VDM does that, right? Now for on our front, where VDM gather some money, we see the what's it called, the boreholes VDM use and build. We see a lot of things that the young man does. Like I said, it's okay not to like him, but you cannot deny the fact that he has done a lot of good. I didn't used to like VDM too, right? But I bring him down. I get to understand, say, this guy, they speak for us. VDM no, they speak for Mbele now at the end of the day. Because how we be influencers, they make money. We make money when we advertise. We make money from, you know how we make our own money. But VDM doesn't advertise. So no be like saying Mbele we in the fight for. VDM they fight for us. At the end of the day, you go comment, insult me, curse me, but I am speaking the truth. My truth might not be your truth at the end of the day, Sha. So if you still go ahead and insult me. So if you get platform, post the guy. Ask questions to why he's being arrested. Like I said, if AFCC does not owe us explanation, they owe his family explanations. So if they don't explain, give him family go come explain to us, we value him. It could be you tomorrow. Say something. Get the way that they talking for Igbo. If you see something, say something. I have decided not to keep quiet, right? Because a lot of them don't even know. VDM my guy. You understand? I respect him. He respect me too. So I go make sure say I talk, right? Because I respect the guy and I respect within the guy they stand for. Not be everything they sit well with me, but I cannot deny the fact that he's doing an amazing job, right? Obviously, the politicians will not like him. Why should they like him? He's standing up for the truth. He's standing against them. They will not like him. They don't like us when we stand against them, right? VDM is standing for all of us. Please, I beg you guys in the name of God. I am not forcing you to use your platform. No, nobody forced me to use my platform. You know Nigerians and their stupid narrative. If you be say VDM, don't pay them. Okay, if you say so, you understand. But please, I beg you in the name of God. It could be your brother tomorrow.
Until we come your way again, you can do it to stay safe. Una do. DJ